Assalamu alaikum, this is Mahmoud Magdi here, and today's video we're going to learn the 15 most important words in Egyptian Arabic. The first word, hello. Hello means ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. That means hello. The second word is good morning. Good morning is sabah. Sabah il khear. Sabah il khear. Good morning. Sabah il khear. The third word is good evening. Good evening means masaa il khear. Masaa il khear. Masaa il khear. Word number 4 is good night. Good night means تصبح على خير. تصبح على خير. تصبح على خير. Good night. Word number 5, goodbye. Goodbye means مع السلامة. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. Word number 6 is yes. Yes means أيوة. 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 Word number 7 is no. No means لأ. 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 Word number 8 is okay. Okay means tamam. 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 Word number 9 here is thank you. Thank you means shokran. 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 Word number 10 is you're welcome. You're welcome means العفو. 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 Word number 11 is I'm sorry. I'm sorry means أنا آسف. أنا آسف. أنا آسف. Number 12, my name is. My name is means أنا اسمي. My name is أنا اسمي. أنا اسمي. أنا اسمي محمود. 13, I'm from. I'm from means أنا من. أنا من. أنا من. أنا من مصر. I'm from Egypt. And finally, word English. English in Arabic means englezei. 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 So this is it. Thumbs if you like it, subs if you loved it, and let's see you next time. Bye.